YOLO. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick what happens down here after it starts raining for a little while. And the reason why we got to do a lot of the work that we got to do anyway. As you can probably hear, water running. It's been raining a lot the last couple days. So as you can see over here, you can hear, more like here, you can't really see. I'm not really wearing boots right now, but we can go down here anyway, whatever. Just don't get cut by the briars. The water is a-flowing. It is a-flowing. Oh yeah. This is where the water's supposed to go. Down here. This area. The little briars are getting me. I'm getting stabbed. They know I got some of their brothers. But if you'll look here and see, there's water all in the road here. All the way up. There's a natural current that is going on here. And this is not what we need, because it goes all the way up the whole hill. So that's the reason why all the way up there, I'm working on digging that hole so that the water can flow down and go down this way into this hole where it's supposed to, and over here, and then out that way into the pond, and then out and beyond. So there is water flowing this way, but there's just so much more coming through from the water, just because I didn't have time to cut, I didn't have time to, this looks kind of cool. I don't know, sometimes the simple things in life. Something about the way that water looks. Velvety. Velvety, is that a word? But yeah, just real quick walk up here. This is like, I wasn't even planning on recording this. Like, there's just so much water flowing, dude. Oh, look at my feet. So white. Oh, that actually feels really good, except it's cold. So maybe a little bit too cold, actually. It got cold really quick. It went from feeling good to feeling cold. Well, probably as soon as I took my feet out. But yeah, just real quick. Little say hi to the plants. This is like day 3 or 4 of them chilling like a villain. And I really wish that it didn't rain so much right after I put them in the ground, because now they're just really like, they're just laying over into the ground. There is something growing right there, but I don't know. I would assume not the bamboo, but hey, you never know. Could be magic, man. That could be magic already happening. Oh dang, I might want to be stepping in this mud over here, messing up my turf. See, look at that, I messed up my turf. I gotta even that out. Gotta even it out. Now I'm muddy. Of course I had to go touch it. Oh, but you know what? I could just wash my feet off here. What do you know? Oh, that's not hard at all. I just want to take a real quick look into the hole. I'm pretty sure this thing is completely flooded. I'd be out here working right now, or yesterday, and would have got this hole fixed had it not been for this stupid rain. But this is the whole reason. That looks kind of cool. Where did this Pepsi bottle come from? But yeah, you can see the water is definitely not going the direction it's supposed to go under the road. it is just completely flooded this hole. I can't even take one step in there. Holy moly. But yeah, I'm gonna get that to where there's a more correct path there too, and the water goes in the hole and then it goes down to the pond and doesn't destroy the ground. That would be very nice. Alrighty, that's it for this part of the video. I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys a real quick update. It has been a little over 2 weeks since I planted these in the ground. It has been raining tremendously. So I think that has not been helping my plants at all because they don't need that much rain. And I went ahead and put some of this around here to keep out anything, specifically them dang rabbits and squirrels, deer, raccoons. Guarantee all that's around here. Possums too. Could be anything else. But even those armadillos. But I mainly wanted to show this off here. If you notice, you'll see some purple. Kind of hard to see because I get too close. Maybe I need to focus it. Anyway, there is some purple coming off here, which means that these are some brand new branches. So the plant is growing, but there's some spots where the leaves are like kind of dying out. I think that's not really too big of a deal right now. If it starts to get worse, then maybe I'll start worrying about it. But the big thing that I wanted to point out here is that this one actually has officially grown out of the ground a brand new shoot, a new culm, or whatever you want to call it, sprout. So the roots have taken hold and are doing what they're doing. So that's great. I don't see that little tiny thing that was like here up at the front that I was pretending like it was a shoot because I knew it really wasn't. I don't know where it went. I didn't pull it out. Maybe something did eat that thing. That'd be kind of funny. Eat that and then leave this whole thing here still. Yeah, just a quick update. I got a lot of digging to do. Yeah, and some of you might remember that the hole was deep enough that I could go into and stand down to where... Oh, about slipped there. I could stand down to my neck at this part right here. And because of the water, the rain, and all that business, I'm practically having to start all over. Pretty close to it. So, yeehaw. Yeet, yeet, yeet. I gotta get down there and get that hole, though.